Are you struggling with video editing? Spending hours on timelines, cuts, and effects? Just imagine turning your simple text prompts into fully publish ready videos in mere minutes. Today, we are diving deep into Invideo AI, the revolutionary platform thoroughly reviewed on remotefuture.com. It is the perfect solution for content creators, marketers, YouTubers, social media managers, small business owners, online educators, and even faceless channel owners looking to streamline and supercharge their video production workflows. Get ready to discover exactly how this powerful tool can transform the way you create videos, saving you time and boosting your results like never before. If you are a YouTuber or content creator who is absolutely tired of those endless hours spent on editing, scripting, pacing, and perfecting every detail, InVideo AI is an absolute game changer that will revolutionize your process. It gives you instant access to vast libraries of high-quality stock footage from sources like Storyblocks and Shutterstock. Professional-sounding AI voiceovers in multiple accents and tones, and smart AI-driven edits that handle everything automatically. The magic hook is straightforward. Simply input your text prompt into the magic box, and it generates a complete publish-ready video in just minutes. This frees you up to focus on your next big creative idea instead of getting bogged down in the editing suite. You will spend less time tweaking and more time producing compelling content that significantly boosts your RPM, increases watch time, and grows your channel faster than ever. Social media managers, you know all too well how churning out daily shorts, reels, and TikToks feels relentless with the constant demand for fresh, trending content across every platform. InVideo AI delivers incredibly fast turnarounds and the superpower to generate multiple customized versions tailored perfectly for each platform with just one simple click. Effortlessly repurpose your existing content, transforming what used to be an hour-long, tedious task into a quick 5-minute job using its intuitive chat-based editing. Whether it is adjusting aspect ratios, adding platform-specific hooks, or optimizing for algorithms, this tool ensures your brand stays consistently relevant, highly engaging, and ahead of the curve across all social channels, without the usual massive time sink that drains your productivity. Small business owners and marketers often grapple with the steep costs and long wait times of hiring expensive agencies just for basic promotional videos. With InVideo AI, you can completely skip those hefty expenses and create stunning professional-grade promo videos for your ads, services, and campaigns in just 2 minutes flat. No designer, no team, no hassle required. Picture this: crafting a compelling ad for your local plumbing service, a dynamic product launch clip for your e-commerce store, or even a sleek real estate showcase, all generated quickly and affordably right from a simple text prompt. This gives your business that polished, professional edge you have always wanted, helping you compete with bigger players without ever breaking the bank. Online educators and coaches perfectly understand how time-consuming editing can significantly slow down your lesson production and course launches. InVideo AI empowers you to produce clean, highly visual how-tos, explainer videos, and tutorials without ever touching a complex timeline. You get consistent, top quality output at lightning speed, effortlessly turning your raw notes or outlines into engaging visual lessons, like a detailed, animated video explaining photosynthesis with diagrams and step-by-step breakdowns in absolutely no time at all. This streamlined, no-edit workflow means you can deliver way more value to your students and clients regularly, while maintaining those high production standards effortlessly and focusing on what you do best: teaching and inspiring. For faceless channel owners, producing unique visuals and narration every single day without ever showing your face or using your own voice is a critical challenge that is now solved. InVideo AI handles absolutely everything, generating realistic AI voices with various accents, sourcing unique stock visuals from massive libraries, and enabling high-volume content creation at scale. Boost your RPM and watch time daily with captivating, fully AI generated videos, like a gripping mystery video about the enigmatic Mary Celeste ship, complete with historical footage, dramatic narration, and seamless edits, all powered by advanced AI models. This truly empowers you to scale your content production massively and keep your audience hooked consistently without any personal exposure. Invideo AI truly excels with its unbeatable affordability starting from a free plan, unmatched speed through its magic box, prompt to video, and chat GPT like editing commands that save you countless hours, and consistently impressive results that rival professional work. It is a complete one-stop shop for all your video needs, featuring a super low learning curve, millions of royalty-free clips and images, human-like AI voices in 50 plus languages, and intelligent script generation. While it offers less granular control than Pro Tools, like Premiere Pro, its efficiency for rapid, high-quality content generation is simply unparalleled. For a much deeper dive into all its features, capabilities, pricing plans, pros and cons, be sure to check out the full review link in the description on remotefuture.com. This video was made using HeyGen. If you'd like to know more about HeyGen, the link to the full review is in the description. Please like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Remember, work smarter, live better.